Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse any website or use Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. So to do this, you will need to go to your settings, then scroll down, find Advanced General Management, and then Date and Time. And from here, just enable automatic date and time, and everything should work fine. For example, Google Play Store, you see everything loads now, and the same should be with Google Chrome, like this. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.